Hi, this is Maureen from A Premier Travel. I'm here to do a room tour for you for the brand new Secrets Baby Beach Resort in Aruba. This resort was built brand new. It's only been open for about 5 months. This resort is an adults-only, all-inclusive. And with that being said, you also have 24-hour room service included. So all the rooms have a table with 2 chairs for your in-room dining, whether it be breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snack. We have a nice lounge chair here in this nice room, along with a little sofa here and a table. There's a Bluetooth speaker. We have little night lights here for reading. All rooms will have either a king bed or 2 double beds. Nice ceiling fan as well. Now we come over here, we have a nice little setup here where we have an espresso machine with some different flavor coffees here, along with your coffee cups, your bottled water, some Pringles, ice bucket, and glasses. And in our mini refrigerator, which gets replenished daily, we have bottled water, soft drinks, and beer that you can have your choice of, and it will be replenished daily. This room is nice and airy. It's nice natural tones. You have plenty of counter space here. This is also another nice little lamp here. So in here is the bathroom, so you can shut this door, so if you don't want the light coming through from the bathroom for privacy. And we have plenty of closet space. In the first closet, we have our mini safe. Of course, all the rooms are going to have their mini safes. We have a steamer and slippers to use. And on this side, the double side of it, we have complimentary Secrets robes to use, an umbrella as well. So also extra pillows up there if you want to try a different type of pillow. Nice full-length mirror here. Then we go into the bathroom. The bathroom has a beautiful bathroom with decor. We have our double sink here with some bathroom amenities. All rooms will have a hair dryer along with a scale. And we have a nice makeup mirror that lights up, as well as your toilet is separate here. And then when you go into the shower is a nice walk-in shower with your rainforest, along with a handheld shower as well, and your bathroom amenities of your shampoo, conditioner, and your body wash. This room is a junior suite. It is a pool view and partial ocean view. It's a soundproof room. So the pool, we're going to hear a lot of activity, a lot of music going on during the day. But as you can hear, you'll hear nothing now right now with it being soundproof. Then when we open it up, a nice sized balcony with table and 2 chairs out here. We have beautiful views of the pool and views of the ocean. So as you hear the music now, you do not hear it in the room. We have a nice flat screen TV here that does tilt. So wherever you're watching TV in bed or over the chair in the lounge chair, you can see it better. So when you're ready to book your next stay at Secrets Baby Beach in Aruba or any of the Secrets resorts in any of their collection, Dreams, Zoetry, Breathless, call the experts at A Premier Travel. Most of our agents have been to these resorts and we can give you a first-hand account on how they are. So thank you for watching.